Welcome to the Mobile Mechanic 757 here. We get down straight to the point.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm excited to discuss the benefits and opportunities our one-on-one consultation service offers for mobile mechanic entrepreneurs. We know the automotive industry's challenges and are here to support your journey to success. Starting a mobile mechanic business is complex and requires technical and industry knowledge. Our service offers guidance and support to ensure business success. During our one-on-one consultations, we explore your aspirations, goals, and business vision. We listen to your ideas, concerns, and questions, providing valuable advice and industry knowledge to help shape your business strategy. We provide a comprehensive business plan, analyzing market trends, customer demographics, and competitors to help you identify your target audience and position your business effectively. We outline strategies to attract and retain customers, set competitive pricing, and differentiate your services. Our consultants are experienced in managing operational aspects, including acquiring tools and equipment, networking with suppliers, and setting up efficient routes. They discuss best practices for inventory management, scheduling appointments, and optimizing routes to maximize productivity and customer satisfaction. Marketing is essential for any business, and our consultations offer insights on effective marketing, strategies to attract customers to your mobile mechanic business. We discuss online and offline channels, branding, and how to engage customers effectively to create a strong brand image. Financial planning and management are crucial to any business success. We provide guidance on pricing your services effectively, managing cash flow, and creating financial projections. We can discuss securing funding options, such as traditional loans or grants, as well as alternative financing methods. Our focus is to equip you with the knowledge and tools to make informed financial decisions that support business growth and sustainability. We can also share information on industry trends, emerging technologies, and upcoming regulations that may impact your business. In conclusion, our one-on-one consultation service empowers aspiring entrepreneurs in the mobile mechanic industry with expertise, industry knowledge, and proven strategies to guide you on your way to success. By leveraging our expertise, you can make beneficial decisions, avoid common pitfalls, and set your business on a path of growth and profitability. Thank you.